Hey, what's up, everybody? Basil here. We are back. So, yes, today we have some French toast, some cheat meal we have here. We that's really great French toast we are making. Uh, so, like you can see, we have our ingredients for our French toast, and yes, we have some milk. I got some milk, and we got some brioche, some eggs, some cream, and some egg white, and and some protein, whey protein. You can use every whey protein you like. Yes, so like you see, I'm cracking the eggs in the milk. Yes, this is what we're gonna do first. We crack. I will use 2 eggs for me. I will put all the portion in the description and the ingredients that we are using. Yes, then we put our whey protein in there. Then then we put our egg whites. I'm using a little bit of egg whites just to boost the protein. But you don't have to. You can let the egg white. So then we gonna use our bread. Yes, and then we whisk it all together. Then it looks like that. On the meantime, we're gonna cut our bread, and this is how it's look like. We can cut it like I cut it like a little bit bigger than, yeah. But you can just do cut it whatever. You can use brioche. You can use white bread. You can use really every bread you have. But brioche is like for me it's better. I like it. And yes, so you're gonna toast it. You're not gonna toast it. You're gonna soak it, but not that long. Just around 2 or 3 seconds, like 4 seconds maximum. Like, and then take it off, because the bread is spongy. It will soak the all the liquid in there, and the more that you're gonna let it in there, the longer you will have to cook it. And yes, so then we have it like this. We are starting to cook our toast. Yes, we flip it once. Yes, that wasn't that quite ready. That's why we're gonna let it. We're not gonna touch it until we see that the side of the toast. Turn it over, flip it. Yes, really, that's it. And yes, we're gonna get all of the other toast ready, and then I'll be back to you. Yes, all right. See, so really, we see we can have it all done. So then we have 2 of them. Like, not wondering the color, we have the cinnamon all over it and all of that. That's why. But it is done. So I have used a nougat cream. You can use Nutella. You can use butter. You can use everything really. So I use some nougat cream and some butter. Yes, then yes, and that's it. And then you are already done. Then our French toasts are ready for our cheat meal. and then we are going to get ready to just devour it. Yes, if you do the same, please let me know how yours went, and I will be glad to see what's your result was. And then I thank you again for watching, and see you in the next video.